Hello, and welcome to this video. This is a short tutorial to show you how to change the wheel bearings in these wheels. Okay, let's begin. These are my bearings of choice for this exercise. First step, remove the front wheel. Using the end of the quick release axle, leverage out the axle spaces on both sides of the wheel. Nice work. Now use a blunt instrument to displace the inner alloy shaft. Take care not to damage the inner alloy surfaces here. When successful, this will expose the edge of the bearing at the other side of the wheel, just as you see here. Now carefully place the wheel on a block of wood. Locate the tip of your screwdriver on the edge of that exposed bearing and begin to tap it out. That's looking good. Repeat this process, working your way around the perimeter of the bearing to evenly pop it out. Nice work. And there she is. Remove the alloy shaft. Wow, now that's quite dirty. And now remove the other bearing, repeating the same procedure. Go ahead and clean up all the crap. Make it look pretty. Lovely stuff. Grease up the hub areas as follows, ready for the new bearings. Put the new bearing in position. Using a socket as displayed, begin to tap in the bearing. Make sure it goes in square. Nice work. Now lube up those O-rings. Such a smooth operator. Put it back into the wheel. Nicely does it. Repeat the same process to install the bearing on this side. Nice work. Now install the axle spaces. Add some more grease in here if you wish. I love it when a plane comes together. Remember to like and subscribe. Now reinstall the wheel. Put the axle back in. Mission completed.